Hi you guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm here today for a very exciting video. So I wanted to do like a spring inspired kind of orangey look tutorial. By orangey I don't mean my face, I mean like my lips. I hope you guys are doing well and let's get into this tutorial. So I just kind of wanted to talk about a product that I've absolutely been loving. And this is the Olehenriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Crème. Let me tell you, this cream is so good. I'm lucky enough that this video is sponsored by Olehenriksen, but I would be talking about this regardless as if I was sponsored or not. So this is the C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It was just released and you can get it on Sephora.com or in stores at Sephora. And essentially why I love this is because I use it at nighttime and in the daytime. And what I found is it's not too heavy, but it's also moisturizing enough that it doesn't leave your skin like wanting more moisture. You guys know I'm dry skin. And so I use this under my makeup. It's a perfect base. It really sets your skin up for a glow. Like it's really glowing underneath your makeup. And not only that, it really plumps up your skin to fill in like fine lines. So it's a really good base for your makeup. And it really does give you that extra boost of hydration for 24 hours. This is the bottle. It is super cute. And this is what the product looks like. As you can see, I've been using it. And this stuff smells like a dream. It literally smells like orange creamsicle. I'm obsessed. So I'm just gonna read you a couple facts about it before I put it on my face. Not only is this great for under makeup because it's glowy, it's hydrating, but it also is orange, so it works to color correct your skin, which is awesome. It really gives the best base for your makeup. This cream also has hyaluronic acid and collagen to really plump up. So you know how I was saying I feel like it plumps up my skin? That's because of those ingredients. It really does give you that like smooth, plump look that we all love, right? So I have nothing on my skin right now. I'm going to take a little bit of this and we're just going to apply it onto my face. Start with that much and oh, it smells so good. And we're just going to apply it all over. It honestly smells like a toned down orange creamsicle. Like nothing that you guys are gonna be like, oh that stinks or it's too sweet, but it smells so delicious. So you guys can see that it's just giving my skin like the perfect amount of luminosity and it doesn't feel heavy, but it feels so good on my dry skin. And it's also good for oily skin because as I said, it really does sink into your skin. So I'm going to give that a few minutes just to soak into my skin, patting it in, and then we're gonna go onto the makeup. Okay, so now that cream is kind of synced in, you can see that my skin just looks not shiny, nothing, just literally glowing from within, which is what I love about this cream. You can just go out on your day if you're not wearing makeup, and this just really gives your skin like that boost of hydration and light. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna kind of to make a tinted moisturizer with this cream. I've been loving this since this cream is like perfect for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a tiny bit with my finger and I'm going to put it onto the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take any foundation. I'm going to be taking Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. And I'm going to put 3 pumps of that into this, or maybe 2.5. And then I'm just going to mix them together with a brush. And then I'm going to apply it to my face. So what this does is it's going to give it more sheer coverage. It's going to give it that sheen and just really hydrated look, which I love for a summer day. So as you can see, this is just picking this up. That's with that amount of cream mixed in and 2 pumps of foundation, and it's just going to give it like almost like a BB cream. I'm creating like a CC cream with this cream, which is something I've loved doing. It really gives a beautiful effect. And then I'm just going to take my Sigma F80 foundation brush and blend that out. And as you can see, it's just such a natural finish on my skin. Now I'm just going to put on a little bit of under eye concealer. I want something light coverage so it's not too heavy anywhere on the face. And this is the Becqua Aqua Luminous Brightening Concealer. This is really nice just to keep with this natural dewy finish to keep that glow in the face. We don't want to cover up any of the glow we have. I'm not going to be setting my face. You guys know I love the glow. So now I'm just going to add a bit of bronzer or cream bronzer. This is the Nude Sticks Bondi Bay, and I'm just going to lightly apply this. This is a bit dark for me right now because I am quite pale. So I'm just going to apply it lightly and then blend it out. You can just see it gives just slightest bit of warmth to our face because we are just going for that natural sun-kissed look. I'm going to go in with the new Benefit palette. This is their blush palette, and I think I'm going to pick up the shade California. It's like this one right here, so it's like more corally with some gold in it. It looks super pretty. I love this palette. And just popping that, oh, that smells delicious. It smells like peaches. And just popping this. And then for highlighter, I kind of want to keep this natural glow that the cream gave us, because you can see I still have some dew coming in. So I'm just going to go in with a bit of the Anastasia Liquid Glow in Perla, just to even further enhance that glow with the cream. This is going to blend in with that cream beautifully because it does act as a base. I could put powder on top, definitely, but I kind of want to just keep the cream mixed with this cream and give it that just natural sheen. I'm going to be going in with my current favorite mascara. I usually use the Too Faced Better Than Sex, but I've been using the Marc Jacobs mascara lately. I really, really like this one. It is similar, I find, to the Too Faced mascara. So to finish off this look, I'm going to be using the YSL Volupte Liquid Color Balm in number 5, and we're just going to apply this to the lips. It's like a corally, orangey pink. It's just like a balm though, so it is quite sheer. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm just going to take some Tatcha spray to set everything off. I'm obsessed with this glowy skin. This is what I'm going to be wearing all spring. I love it, and the skin is all thanks to Olehenriksen's C-Rush Brightening Cream. I'm obsessed. Check it out. It's available at Sephora and on Olehenriksen's website, I believe. So I'm just going to set my face now. And that is the finished look, guys. I love you so much. I hope you enjoy this video. I will leave all the links to the products below. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you soon.